everyone, my name is Fatima Zara Prasetyo and I'm from Management Department, Faculty of Economics and Business. For me, personally, I don't like cigarettes and honestly, I really can't stand with cigarette smoke. The smell is just too strong and makes me feel uncomfortable. Sometimes, even when I'm just walking near someone who's smoking, I can immediately feel my throat getting irritated or my eyes starting to water. That's why whenever I see someone is smoking nearby, I usually move away or try to find a place with fresh air. So honestly, I don't really like smokers either. Not because I hate them as people, no, but because I just can't deal with the smoke and the smell. But well, if someone wants to smoke, that's their own choice. I believe everyone has the right to decide what they want to do with their life. As long as it doesn't disturb others, it's a personal decision, and I respect that. However, I also think smokers should be more considerate of people around them, especially in the public spaces where not everyone wants to breathe in the smoke. Now, if you ask my opinion about smoking in the campus area, I would definitely say it's better not to smoke there. The campus for me is a place for studying, learning, and developing ourselves in a positive way. It's a place where we try to focus to gain knowledge and to prepare for our future careers. So it's kind of strange if we allowed smoking there because it doesn't really fit the image of a clean, healthy, and academic environment. Besides, campus areas are usually shared spaces. There are students, lecturers, and sometimes even visitors or staff are walking around. If someone smokes there, it's not just about their own health, it also affects everyone nearby. Secondhand smoke can be really dangerous, especially for people with asthma or other respiratory problems. So I think it's totally reasonable to have a no smoking policy on campus. As far as I know, in many universities, smoking on campus is actually not allowed. There are clear rules or even certain penalties for those who are caught smoking inside the area. The reason is pretty simple. It can disturb learning activities and reduce comfort. Imagine trying to study in a quiet corner or work on a good project, and then someone starts smoking next to you. The smell can be distracting and it's definitely not healthy. Another thing we often forget is that smoking doesn't just affect people, it can also affect the environment. Cigarette butts that are thrown away carelessly end up scattered all over the ground, making the campus look messy and dirty. They might seem small, but cigarette filters actually take years to decompose, and they can release toxic substances into the soil and water. So, in the long run, smoking can harm not only our bodies but also nature and the cleanliness of our surroundings. And think about the image of the campus itself. A clean, smoke-free campus shows that students are disciplined, responsible, and care about the environment. On the other hand, if the campus is full of cigarette butts, smokes, and litter, it gives a negative impression, right? It might make the visitors or new students think that people there don't really respect the rules or care about public spaces. Besides that, smoking can also give a negative influence, especially to new students or the younger ones. When they see other students smoking casually on the campus, they might think it's normal or even cool. Then, out of curiosity, they try it too. That's how bad habits often start, through the small influence like that. So yeah, that's my personal opinion. For me, smoking is not good for ourselves, for others, and for the environment around us. If you are a smoker, maybe you can try to be more aware and avoid smoking in the public areas like campuses. And if you're not a smoker, stay strong and keep your healthy lifestyle. Let's all take care of ourselves and our environment, because small action like choosing not to smoke in the campus can actually make a big difference. And thank you for listening to my opinion. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.